Recipe Rutters, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and I've had this before, but I had to post it again with a video. This is a masala cod right here with some turmeric rice, and then we got in the middle some mango and cucumber salad, like a little slaw there. Kind of winged this one on the fly, but the fish is super easy. It's just garam masala with curry and olive oil. Wrap that up in saran wrap and just let it sit there for about 20 minutes or so it really soaks in the oil and the spices, and then bake it in the oven. This is a nice thick piece right here. You can see how thick that is. It's beautiful. Cod is tremendous. This is a cod loin. And then we just got some brown rice. We added some turmeric, some salt, a little bit of olive oil in there to get that going. And then this slaw, guys, just make it up as you go along. I started with some cucumber, some mango. We added some more peaches in there. And then we got some power slaw, some carrots, some red onion. It just came out beautiful. And all I did was add olive oil and, I added lime juice. Yeah, lime juice and olive oil, that was it. And the sweetness from the fruit comes through really well. It really complements the fish great. I was really surprised with this and wasn't sure if I would like it, but I love it, guys. I love it. So try it out. If you've got stuff in the produce, guys, you can always make a great slaw with that. So always just kind of see what you got, experiment a little bit, have a little bit of fun in the kitchen. I know following recipes is great, but if you want to add something else to it, go for it, guys. And this is coming out in the app on Thursday. All right, guys, take care.